Hello everyone, my name is Gina Jihan Salsabila. I'm a student from UPAI. Now, I want to present about the first is psychology at glance. Secondly, on being shy. Thirdly is childhood depression. And the last is conclusion. Happy watching! The first is Unit 1, Psychology at Glance. What is psychology? Psychology is a study about individuals' activities throughout his span of life by investigating the organs and cells that do the work of the organism. And the other side, we see the social science study nation and group of mankind for a scientific reaction. Three kinds of activities is A. Motoric activities, for example, running, skipping, and jumping. B. Cognitive activities is language learning, problem solving, and thought. C. Emotional activities, for example, giving and accepting, love, and self-confidence. The next is listening to music is also kind of activities. Listening to music can go into the cognitive and also emotional activities. Quadrant says listening to music, we have to process the meaning of each lyric, which will stimulate our brain to think about the content in bro. And after our brain has the final answer, it will touch our emotion to sense whether the music is related to use or if the music is enjoying. The next is Unit 4 on being shy. Not all people have the same personality. Some of them are so shy. Being shy is normal, and there is nothing wrong with that. However, the struggle of being a shy person is real, especially while having a conversation with random people. Character of a shy person is 1. Speak quiet, 2. Hesitant, 3. Avoidant, 4. In, indirect in expressing their thoughts and feelings, 5. Clumsy, maybe, 6. Have constant thought of change themselves for better, 7. Sincere, 8. Caregiver. The next, how to reduce shyness. 1. Whenever you be making negative comparison between yourself and other, force yourself to stop doing that immediately. Take your thought of yourself, observe other and things of a compliment with which to start a conversation with someone. 2. If you are shy at work where there are many coworkers, choose the least intimidating person to the perhaps have coffee with or make casual small talk with him. 3. If you are required to give a report to a group, tell them that you feel nervous. The feeling is quite normal, and everyone can sympathetic. Expressing that the group will make you feel better. 4. Take a course in developing self-confidence or read books on the subject. The next is Unit 5, Childhood Depression. Friendlessness is only one sign of childhood depression. The character is 1. Inability to have fun or concreted. 2. Absence of normal emotional reaction. 3. Frequently tired, extremely activities, or inactive. 4. Have trouble concentrating. 5. Feel overwhelmingly guilty. The next is depression symptoms, low mood, change in appetite, self-disturbance, agitation, fatigue, difficulty concentrating. And the last is conclusion. In summary, psychology is a study of human mental activities by observing their daily life for scientific reasoning. Psychology also means learning various kinds of human behavior and also their personalities. Being shy is also one of them. Being shy is not choice and neither a mistake. We can reduce our shyness by doing some of the activities that already explained. But we have to be aware in differentiate which being shy or introvert and which isolating themselves in depression. Depression is a disorder and it is a very dangerous one. Children can be depression and this the nightmare of every parent, but things can be fixed. This is where psychology works. Thank you for your attention. Sorry if there is something wrong in the explanation, and have a good day. Bye.